In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color in Shopify. If you want your store to feel cohesive and on brand, your text color is one of the quickest ways to make a strong first impression and improve readability. I'll walk you through the exact path in Shopify and share a few practical tips so you can choose colors confidently. Start by opening your Shopify store. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand menu and click Online Store. This takes you to the area where your theme lives and where all the visual styling happens. From here, click Edit Theme. That opens the theme editor, which is the workspace where you'll see a live preview of your site on the right and your controls on the left. The preview is helpful because you can watch your changes update in real time as you make them. Inside the editor, find and click Settings. This is where the global style options for your theme are grouped. Now click Colors. This panel is where you'll control the color system your theme uses, including your text. Depending on your theme, you'll see fields for body text, headings, links, button text, and accents, sometimes separated by sections like background, surface, or overlay. Don't worry if the labels vary a bit. Look for any option that mentions text or typography. Here, feel free to explore and select colors that suit your brand. If you already have brand colors, you can enter their hex codes directly for an exact match. If you're experimenting, use the color picker and watch how the preview updates as you try different shades. Aim for a text color that offers strong contrast against its background. A dark gray or near black often reads cleaner and more modern than pure black, while still being highly legible. For headings, you can choose the same color as your body text for a minimal look or a slightly different tone for hierarchy. For links, pick an accent color that stands out enough to be noticeable without clashing with your overall palette. As you explore, check a few different pages and sections in the preview, home, product, and collection pages to make sure your text remains readable everywhere. Keep accessibility in mind. High contrast improves readability for everyone, especially on mobile screens and in bright environments. If a color looks vibrant on desktop but harsh on mobile, try dialing it down a touch. When you're satisfied with your selections, take a moment to review your choices one more time in the preview to ensure your text color feels consistent, on brand, and easy to read across your store.